Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Minecraft error, and the error is we were unable to verify what products you own. Please check your internet connection. So if you're getting this error in Minecraft launcher, then here follow the fixes very carefully. Well, the problem is not from your side, the problem is from Minecraft side. This error generally occurs when they experience problem on their online services, and this mostly happens due to server issues. You can check Minecraft server status from Down Detector website. So go to this website. I have provided this link in my video description. And once you're on this Down Detector website, scroll down and here you will see the server status. You can see most of the players are reporting the server issues. So currently they are facing some kind of server issue. So if you find that their server status is offline, under maintenance, or having any kind of outages, then you can't do anything. You have to just wait for the server status to get back restored or online, and then you can check back later. In the meantime, you can follow these fixes. Fix 1 is to connect or disconnect VPN. Now you can connect to VPN such as Proton VPN, NordVPN, Kaspersky VPN, Cloudflare, etc. So just launch the VPN app, connect to a different location, and then launch the game and check. Now if you are already connected to a VPN, then disconnect it and then check. This has also fixed the issue for many players. Fix 2 is to change DNS server. Now this fix has also solved the issue, so you can try this. So in Windows search, type control panel and open it. Then under network and internet, click on view network status and task. Click on your connected Wi-Fi. Then click on properties. Then select the internet protocol version 4 and then click on properties. And then select this option, use the following DNS server addresses. In the preferred DNS server type 8.8.8.8 and in alternate DNS server type 8.8.4.4 and then click on OK and then close it, and then you can go ahead and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to logout and login and then check. So open Minecraft launcher, click on your profile and then click on logout and then login back and check. Fix 4 is to reset internet connection. So in Windows search, type cmd and open the command prompt as an administrator. So click on run as administrator, then click on yes. Now in the command prompt you have to type this code one by one. So copy this code from here and then paste it. I will provide this code in my video description, so you can easily copy and paste and then hit enter. Copy the second code, paste it over here, then hit enter. Copy the third code, paste it over here, hit enter, and copy the last code, paste it over here, hit enter. Now you can see you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset process. So type here exit exit and then hit on enter. This will close the command prompt and then just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC, and after your PC restart, then you can check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 5, check your internet connection or switch internet connection. So make sure you are connected to internet and it is working properly. You can also connect to mobile data via hotspot and then check. And if possible, then you can also try to connect to internet via Ethernet cable and then check. Now fix 6 is to download Minecraft launcher for Windows Legacy installer. So you have to first uninstall Minecraft launcher that you got from the Microsoft Store, and then you can go to this website. This is the official website. Link is provided in my video description. So this is the official website, and then you can click on download for Windows. But before that, you have to uninstall the Minecraft launcher that you got from the Microsoft Store. To do so, open Windows settings. On the left, click on apps, then click on install apps, and in search apps, search for Minecraft launcher, and then next to Minecraft launcher, click on this 3 dot and then click on uninstall and then click yes to confirm. And after uninstalling Microsoft launcher that you got from the Microsoft Store, then go to this official Minecraft website and then click on download for Windows and then run this Minecraft installer.exe file and then install the Minecraft launcher and then check if your error is fixed or not. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve we were unable to verify what products you own. Please check your internet connection error in Minecraft launcher. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.